Oh, no. Oh, my God. Get out! He sees it. Look at him. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Did you get that on video?
Did the duck got that?
Más abajo. Ah, súbela. Holy crap. Oh, he's eating apples from his mouth. I think we got a garfish, dude. Be careful, Evan. Oh my God! That's a big gator, buddy.
Hey! I'm going away. I'm not going to bug you. I promise. I'm going away. I'm not going to bug you. I'm going away. No.
You could break right through that glass. Leave it alone.
I have a gun.
I'm walking backwards on the trail back to the camp. I'm walking down the trail and Mom and 2 cubs. So I am continually to walk backwards. The Mom and the cubs keep following me and are walking at least as fast as I am. Dá-me lá, bicho.
Còn đáng miệng nhá. Ui.
Cho cái xin anh kìa đây.
You. Oh. No! Get the away! Go away! No! No! You, dude! Holy. Yeah, get the away from me. Face.
Oh
Okay.
my God.
Okay, I guess we don't get too close. Show fear.
on, keep kicking him.
Oh, I'm so glad I was recording.
To come out this way. Hopefully my brother could do something. That'd be great.
Yeah, but why can't they come and, like, you know?
Channel 7 News should come right now.
Yeah.
Sheldon Fox in Westchester.
Let's get some Sheldon Fox in there with his suit on and with, like, the several layers that he has.
All right, I'm going to jump in there and try to get him out, guys.
No.
Oh, he's on. He's on. Oh, he's going to go off. Oh, he's going hard. Oh, shit. Get out of there, son.
Here we go. You've eaten that little. Jesus Christ! Holy moly! Right in the corner of the jaw. Holy moly, that was a big boy.
Alex, he's putting the wind in it. Alex, one more.
Let's go in.
Okay.
Here it comes.
Okay.
Go on.
He's huge.
Oh my God.
Go on.
All right, I'm gonna close this door.
Não, que ele vai vir em cima da gente, mano. Olha o jeito que ele tá, filho. Olha lá, mano. Ó.
Aí ele volta.
Vai, Fusca, vai.
This dude is getting in the way of me going to the bar. And he's really scary. Please don't come this way. I don't like this. The bar is that way. Please move. Please move. Come on. Oh, me.
Seu filho da pele, mano. A gente foi matar ele, ele tomou a vaca e tá ameaçando todo mundo. Olha só.
Yes. Ngăn nuốt thằng kia. Thói kia thôi, thói kia. Thói gì? Nó riêng cái nào bên đây à? Mìnhจะกินของกินในรถเนี่ย
You gotta be kidding me.
Wow, you ever seen anything that big?
No, never.
I think that's two guys in an alligator suit.
Кать, ну чё ты, ну иди сюда, иди сюда, иди сюда, ну привет, ну дорогой, чё ты, как дела, как? О! Oh God, Pete, your pedal's close to that one. Sorry.
Take it home. It just bites harder.
Does it hurt?
What's that? It got something in his mouth or something? Yeah, his arm.
Look at that! Oh my gosh! He's gonna scratch my foot!